What's up, everyone? Danny Lightning back with another reaction video. We're checking out the dumbest answers ever on Family Feud. All right, this should be pretty funny. I don't know, but guys, if you enjoy this content, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. If you haven't done so, go do that now. Even click that little bell and set those notifications to all so you don't miss any good uploads. All right, let's go ahead and hit the play button and check this thing out. He looks evil in that photo. But guys, my sinuses are kind of tore up today. My eyes are all puffy, so if I sound a little funny or whatever, look a little funny, don't mind that. It's just my allergies, guys. Just the allergies. So let's get on with this clip.
Name something that follows the word pork.
You pine.
Huh?
You pine?
You pine. Pork pine.
It's not really a dumb answer. It's not a word, but kind of clever.
He said cupine. Cupine. What? What is cupine? This is the greatest answer I've ever heard.
Man, he likes that one. He likes that one.
No, I feel you. I feel you. It's number one.
Oh, my mama.
It's number one. Oh, really? Well, I'll tell you what. It's going to be number one on YouTube. But
Definitely number one on YouTube. All right, so what's something that follows the word pork? You pine. All right, I get it. I get it. That's actually pretty clever and funny, but hey, maybe not the right answer, but pretty funny.
it's going to be number one up there. I can bet every dollar I got. You the only person that said cupine. Cupine! Name a country.
That's hilarious, though. That's hilarious. All right, that guy is a genius. Well, maybe he wasn't a genius, but that was definitely amusing.
A man with a mustache should visit to meet a woman with a mustache.
Name a country that a man with a mustache should visit to meet a woman with a mustache? That's weird.
France.
France.
Okay.
Paris.
Paris is in France, so.
You my man, Daryl. Don't even worry about this, dog. You know good and hell well that ain't.
I know it's not.
All right, cool, okay.
All right. Paris, France, yeah. Same place. But hey, it's already up on the board, sort of, right?
I appreciate you, though, man. Let's go on back to your spot.
Yes.
Yeah. You want to see?
Yeah, I want to see.
We go Paris. Rail.
All right. If you're up there and they're asking you questions, you're on TV, you're nervous, you're under pressure. I get it. I get it. You say the wrong thing. It happens. All right. Name something.
Name something that's hard to do with your eyes open.
Read.
That's hard to do with your eyes open, and this guy says read. They're saying good answer. All right. That guy's like, oh man, I said the wrong thing.
Name something that's hard to do with your eyes open. This boy in college.
Oh my. My eyes are actually watering up a little bit. Not kidding. This is funny.
He enrolled in that now. He leaned into the mic and said, read, Steve. Okay? I sure want to see you shut your eyes and do it. Read.
Yeah, I don't really expect to see that on the answer list. Maybe he misunderstood the question. I don't know, but yeah. I think it would be pretty hard to read with your eyes closed.
Let me tell you something. When this airs and they see this at your school, it's gonna be a rough life for you after that. One answer left. You can clear the board, Q. Some politicians belong in the White House, others belong in the blank house.
Well, Steve, if they're good, they belong in the White House. Keep it right there.
Yeah, just like that, the question. Hey, Jamie.
What's up?
I might not get you, but I bet this ain't up there. Some politicians belong in the White House, others belong in the White House. Oh, that's clever right there. Oh, they trying to trick me. Listen to me. Some politicians belong in the White House, others belong in the White House.
The White House.
That's so damn
Oh my gosh.
That's a good answer.
I think you're supposed to say nut house.
Oh, man. I'm going to answer the question with the question. I'm going to tell you the same thing you asked me. White, yeah. Oh, that's a good answer right there. Here we go. I'm finna point. Ready? Hold your breath. Some politicians belong in the White House. Others belong in the White House. In the White House.
This dude's awesome. Oh my god. Oh,
I was dragging a minute ago.
this dude is awesome, man. I wish I had his job, man. You can get up there and carry on and make fun of all these people for being stupid. Oh man. They say no answer is a dumb answer, right? Or is that no question is a dumb question? I don't know, but yeah, there might be some dumb ones out there. But yeah, he's got a fun job, man. That would be a cool job to be a host of a show like this, honestly.
I was dragging a minute ago. God saw me having a rough day.
Oh, yeah.
God decided to lift me up.
Yes.
He said,
What?
you need an answer.
Yes.
That ain't really an answer.
Yes.
You need an answer.
Yes.
That's really a question.
Yes.
I'm gonna answer the question
Yes.
with a question.
Yes.
Some politicians belong
Yes.
in the White House. Others belong
Oh, these people are hilarious.
in the White House. Can I tell you something else?
You can tell me something else.
Is this your brother-in-law?
That's my brother-in-law.
Your brother-in-law about to be on YouTube.
Oh my god.
Hey. Name someone a man might not want to know that he uses Viagra.
Now that's an interesting question. All right.
I would say the President of the United States. All right, you guys.
President of the United States. He's like, what'd you just say?
Dirk is looking for the President of the United States. That was by far the suckiest answer since I've been the host. Who the hell do you know even knows the president?
I was saving the answers for my
He
team.
got 2 wars, a bad economy, an oil spill. He ain't worried about you using no Viagra.
Oh my gosh.
In here in the Oval Office today, got so many decisions today. Oh my God, is Dirk on Viagra? Gotta sign that into law. Okay, Dirk, you got me on that. I'm sorry. Toya?
Man, these people are hilarious, guys. All right, one more. I think we're at 10 minutes already, so one more.
100 men, tell me a traffic sign that best describes your love life.
Do not pass go.
Good answer.
It's up there, Steve.
Oh.
It's up there.
Ooh, no it ain't. Do not pass go.
It's up there.
Hey, unless you're driving that little car on the Monopoly board. That ain't no damn
Oh my
traffic
God.
sign. Them is instructions. Do not pass go.
Yeah, I don't think that's a street sign, guys. I don't think that's a street sign. All right, I don't think I've ever seen that street sign anywhere in my entire life. So yeah, if that's on there, it's gonna be a miracle. All right, I think this wraps this one up. This was hilarious, guys. All right, this was hilarious. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe, everybody. That would help me out a lot. Thank you all so much for watching. You guys are awesome. We will catch you next time. All right, see ya later. Lightning out.